Today I'm gonna tell you about how to print statement or message on output screen. So let's see. First, we need to create file in which we will write a statement. Now, how we can make a file? Just by writing touch and the name of the file and then enter. After that, code and name of the file, enter. Your file will be successfully created. Now, how will you write string inside of print function? Let me tell you, you can write string inside the print function with either single quotes or with double quotes. It actually doesn't matter. Okay? So, before that, I think I should tell you about strings. Strings are the collection of characters. Basically in Python, we write string with double quotes or with single quotes. Keep this in mind. That's what I am using in print function. Whenever I'll try or whenever we want to write anything inside print function, any message or any statement, we're going to use single quotes or double quotes. You can see. Now let's interpret a program. Let's do it. Just write Python and the name of the program and just click on the enter. You're gonna get your result. This is how we can print any statement or message on the output screen. So now let's explore more about print function. Let me tell you, there is one more concept in Python which I'm gonna tell you. That is how we can use double quotes between the single quotes and how we can use single quotes between the double quotes, and what when we want to write double quotes and single quotes between the strings, then how can we do that? So let's see. Now what I'm doing, I'm just writing a statement inside the print function using single quotes between the double quotes. Okay, you can see it. And also I'm gonna write double quotes between single quotes. So let's see what happens. You'll observe that your string will contain double quotes or single quotes between the statement. So we can do that while printing anything, any message or statement. Simply write double quotes between the single quotes and single quotes between the double quotes. You can get your statement with double quotes and single quotes. Oh, so much double quotes and single quotes. Let me explain you in little detail what I'm trying to explain you. I'm trying to explain you that you can simply use double quotes between the single quotes and you can simply use single quotes between the double quotes, but you cannot use single quotes between the single quotes and you cannot use double quotes between the double quotes. Okay, and if you want so, what you're gonna use? You're gonna use triple quotes, that is doc string. Basically the doc string is used for documentation purpose. We usually don't use this. We use escape sequences rather than doc strings. Okay, but yeah, you can use doc strings. Okay, you can see that on the screen. What you can do, you'll start your string with triple quotes and you will end your string with triple quotes, and you can write any double quote or any single quote between that, and you will successfully get your result on the output screen. You can observe that. Okay, let's see. See, your answer is there. We are getting our statement successfully. So yeah, what I told you today in this video, I explained you about how you can write any statement using double quotes and single quotes. You can easily print any statement on the output screen. Also, I told you about that how you can use single quotes between the double quotes and double quotes between the single quotes, and also told you about how you can use both double quotes and single quotes between the string. I hope that you got this. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Do support me and thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love